Grok 4.20 is insane. XAI just dropped something huge. Grok 4.20 is here. And it's not just another AI update. This thing has 4 agents working together at the same time. It can read a 256,000 token context window, and it's beating every other AI on the market right now. I'm going to break down exactly what it does, why it matters for your business, and how you can use it starting today. Stay till the end because the last part is going to blow your mind. So XAI just released Grok 420. This is the latest public beta, and when I say this thing is different from everything else out there right now, I mean it. This isn't just a small patch. This is a proper leap forward. Let me start with the basics so we're all on the same page. Grok 420 is built on top of Grok 4, but they have taken it and made it significantly better in almost every area that matters: reasoning, context, real-world performance, multi-agent collaboration, and multimodal processing, which means it can handle text, images, and video all at once. Right now, it's available primarily to Super Grok subscribers, so if you're on that plan, you've got access to something most people haven't even heard of yet. Now, let me walk you through the 4 biggest things you need to understand about this update. Number 1, 4 agents working in parallel. This is the one that got me. Grok 4.20 introduces 4 specialized agents that work together at the same time to solve complex problems, not one after another at the same time. Think about what that means when you give it a hard task. Instead of one model chipping away at it, step by step, you've got 4 specialized agents, each attacking a different part of the problem simultaneously. Then they collaborate and combine their outputs into one answer. This is called multi-agent collaboration, and it's a massive deal. Here's a real example of how I'd use this for the AI Profit Boardroom. Let's say I want to launch a new campaign to get more members. I'd give Grok 4.20 a prompt like this. You are 4 specialized agents. Agent 1, analyze the top pain points of entrepreneurs who want to scale their business with AI. Agent 2, write a high-converting email sequence for cold outreach targeting those pain points. Agent 3, build a 30-day content calendar to drive traffic to the AI Profit Boardroom landing page. Agent 4, identify the best platforms and distribution channels to reach business owners interested in AI automation. Collaborate and give me a unified growth strategy. 1 prompt, 4 agents. A full growth strategy, that's the power here. And this matters for your business too. Whatever you're building, whatever you're trying to grow, you can use this multi-agent setup to tackle the biggest, most complex problems you have faster than ever before. All right. Number two, a 256K context window that can expand to 2 million tokens. Okay, so if you don't know what a context window is, here's the simple version. It's how much information the AI can hold and work with at one time. Most AI models have a relatively small context window, which means if you give them a long document, they forget the beginning by the time they get to the end. It's like talking to someone with short-term memory loss. Grok 4.20 starts with a 256,000 token context window. That's already massive, but it can expand to 2 million tokens. 2 million tokens, that's entire books, multiple books, entire business plans, full content libraries, transcripts of hundreds of hours of video. What does this mean practically? You can feed Grok 420 your entire content archive, your whole website, every piece of research you have, and it will remember all of it and work with all of it at once. For the AI Profit Boardroom, here's how I'd use this. I'd take every piece of content we've ever published, every video transcript, every training module, every community post, feed it all into Grok 420 and say, here is the complete content library of the AI Profit Boardroom. Identify the 10 most asked questions from our members, find gaps in our current content, build a 90-day content plan to fill those gaps and drive more engagement. With 2 million tokens of context, it can actually do that. With older models, that wasn't even possible. This is where AI starts getting genuinely useful for scaling a real business. Number 3, real-time X-platform integration. Here's something no other mainstream AI has. Grok 4.20 has real-time integration with X, formerly Twitter. It can pull live data from the platform, analyze sentiment, synthesize news, and tell you exactly what people are talking about right now, not data from 6 months ago, right now. Why does this matter? Because if you're building a business, staying ahead of trends is everything. Knowing what your market is talking about in real time is an unfair advantage. Here's how I'd use this for the AI Profit Boardroom. I'd run a prompt like search X for the top conversations happening right now about AI automation for small business owners. Identify the top 5 pain points people are expressing. Tell me what they're frustrated about, what they wish existed, and what content would resonate most with them this week. That gives me a live content strategy based on real current conversations, not guesswork, not assumptions, actual data from real people talking right now. And this ties directly into growing the AI profit boardroom. Because if I know exactly what business owners are struggling with in real time, I can create content that speaks directly to that, which means more clicks, more views, more members. This is one of the most underrated features of this update. And I don't think most people are going to use it properly. But now you know how. Number four, reduce hallucinations and top benchmark performance. One of the biggest criticisms of AI tools has always been hallucinations. The AI just making stuff up, confidently telling you something wrong, which when you're using it for business is a real problem. Grok 4.20 has brought hallucinations down below 4%. That's not zero, but it's significantly lower than most models out there. And combined with real-time data integration, it means the outputs are more reliable and more accurate than before. On benchmarks, specifically Alpha Arena, Grok 4.20 is outperforming its rivals. This is a real-world performance test, not just a theoretical score. And Grok 4.20 is coming out on top. What does that mean for you? It means when you use it, you're getting outputs that are more likely to be right, more likely to be useful, and less likely to waste your time. For something like building content for the AI Profit Boardroom, that matters a lot, because if I'm generating landing page copy or email sequences or social posts, and the AI is hallucinating facts, I have to spend time checking everything. Lower hallucination rate means faster output, less editing, more time on the things that actually grow the business. Now, here's one more thing I want to touch on because it ties everything together. Grok 4.20 supports native multimodal inputs, text, images, and video all in one model, and it comes with a feature called Grok Imagine, which handles image and video generation and editing. So not only can it read and process visual content, it can create it. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation.